Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and I am ridiculously glad you're here. Today we're gonna do a FabFitFun unboxing. This has gotta be March, right? I think this is March. My days are kind of running together. Maybe February? It's spring. This is a seasonal subscription, so you get it once every 3 months. Yeah, this is spring 2022. I don't read these magazines. I feel bad. I think they put some work into it, but I don't actually read them. This is going to be a combination of not only what came in the subscription box, which typically runs, I want to think it's about $200 a year, unless you prepay for the year, and then I think you get a little bit of a discount on it, but or you can just do it quarter by quarter. Anyway, let's go through this because I feel like I have forgotten. I might have gotten this in February, and I just haven't had a chance to go through it. I haven't filmed in a couple weeks. That's not good here. I think some of these I can tell which ones were add-ons, but I don't have like my packing slip in here to tell me. You do get some propaganda. I don't know what some of these things. Here's 15% off if you guys want to use code. You ready for this? Lowercase s as in Sam, 5 dash lowercase h as in Henry, 692 v as in Victor. That'll save you $15 off if you're interested. I've got a Hello Fresh code in here. Bright Cellars wine stuff. You guys want any of that stuff? Let me know. Leave me a message down below. Sheet of stickers. Does anybody ever do anything with these stickers? Like, I guess you could use them to enclose an envelope if you still mail things. Cards. I don't know. I don't know why they would do that. I'll try it if I can. I'll try to tell you which I think came in as part of the subscription and part of what I think I chose as add-ons. That's kind of the main reason why I like these things. The add-on prices are really good. Okay, first thing in here is this Kate Spade little doohickey. Now, of course, they give you the little gift bag, but then they don't actually put the item in the gift bag. But these are cute little Kate Spade earrings. Hold on, focus. There we go. Cute little Kate Spade earrings. How fun and sparkly and spring-like are those? Doesn't tell me. They're very glittery. They look like glitter and epoxy, but they're Kate Spade. Actually, don't mind Kate Spade items. I have a number of cute little Kate Spade earrings. They're not the most expensive stuff in the world. They're pricey. I mean, well, I don't know if they're pricey. You're paying for the name, I think, but you're not paying for like the name, like some of the super high-end names. Okay, that was something that I think I chose. That might have been a choice. Okay, here's something else. I'm not even sure what this says. It says hair scarf set, Larkin Knives. It seems like there's a couple brands that I've only seen at FabFitFun. Larkin Knives might be one of them. Okay, cute little canvas type pouch. What's in it here? Okay, so we say live love in full bloom. Oh, we've got, oh, they're a set of scarves. Okay, so little neck scarves. So I guess, or hair scarves or whatever. Like, you could tie this around a ponytail. You could tie it around a neck. You could tie it onto a bag. Those are kind of cute. Yeah, all right. Scarves, what do they say? What's on the instructions here? I'm not really a scarf person because I feel like I've got kind of a short neck to begin with. Stylish ways to rock your scarf. Looks like around the neck, on a bag, on a ponytail, around your head, or around a wrist. I don't know that I would ever tie a scarf around a wrist. Maybe I did in the 80s. Did you guys do that at all? All right, next thing on here is a Sorbus Cosmetic Organizer case, it says. This doesn't look like a case so much as like a rack. I think I chose this one. I think I chose this one because I didn't like any of the other options that they had, and I have several of these types of racks already, and they're good just to kind of keep things corralled a little bit. So I thought these like little lucite holders, I have several of these on like my regular makeup vanity that I use every day, and then here as well. They don't have the little daisy print on the bottom though, but that's what it looks like. So we've got room for 1, 2, 3, like 6 lipstick, lip glosses type things, a couple smaller ones that would be good probably for like eyeliner or brushes, and then you could, you know, put some other products in here. It's not going to be where you don't put a palette in this, unless you have maybe like here's one of the little Joa palettes. Yeah, you could put that in there, for instance, if you wanted to. Makeup Revolution, little 9-pound jobby. Yeah, that would fit in there too. So if you're, you know, if you have a small makeup collection, okay, I think this is going to be probably, like I've got this mess right here. I'm going to resort it. Okay, this is something that was an add-on for sure. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Did I get 2 of them? Yeah. One of them says Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. One of them is a Miracle Leave-In product. I think my daughter really likes this too. She's trying to repair her hair, as am I. So I think I got the keratin one for me. I'll have to see if she wants the other one. She may decide that it's not what she's working on right now. I'm not really sure. Hypernova eye serum. I think this was one of the choice items that I was like, okay, well, I like eye serums. I like eye creams. I'm always looking for like the next miracle cure. Lady of a certain age. Eyes. Only so much you can do to repair the damage. Trying though. All right, so this says it is a Hypernova eye serum. Boy, that print is really fine. Let me find my reading glasses here and see what this says on it. Universal Standard. Curious humanoid saw a lone machine dreaming in a place of forgotten memories. WTF. Serum contour for eyes. Okay, so it says it's a refreshing gel serum that reduces look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness in advanced blend of peptides, beta-glucan, artemisia, and caffeine rejuvenates delicate skin around your eyes, fragrance-free. I like caffeine and peptides for an eye serum. Sure, we'll give this a try. I'm scared to open it. Okay, that's weird. It's got like a weird little dropper thing. I'm not going to try this right now. I'm going to put it with some other products that I'm morbidly curious about. Okay, this is one that I think might have been an add-on. This is the Hum Daily Cleanse. Helps clear your skin, body from toxin. I have mixed feelings on cleanses, right? Like, I feel like if your system's a little sluggish, it can help, but it also can be kind of dangerous, and I feel like your organs are supposed to do its thing anyway, so are you really supposed to do anything to kind of force them to do stuff? I don't know. I think there's too much information out there. But I like the Hum vitamins. I like the Hum, I don't know that the Flatter Me really actually does anything, but I love the Hum hair, nail, and skin biotin type gummies. I've had really, really good success growing hair. I know you can't really tell so much because my hair is a little on the curly side today. Sorry, it's doing its own thing. What's next in here? Deep Sea Cleansing Bar. Not your average cleansing bar. Ingredients that work hard, formulated with Dead Sea mud sourced from the Jordan Rift Valley, one of the lowest points on Earth. When water evaporates from the Dead Sea, it leaves behind a dense, rich cocktail of salts and 26 minerals that are incredibly beneficial to the skin. All right, so Dead Sea bar of soap. Smells okay. Do you guys do bar soaps ever? Anymore? Inquiring minds want to know. I mean, I guess I sometimes do bar soaps like next to the sink when I'm washing brushes, but I tend to do pump hand soap, shower gels, or the infused shower gel, sponge gel. My son likes shampoo bars for like hair. That's not that though. Curious about that. Okay, Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I love the Pharmacy Honey Mask. I think I saw it the other day. I've only purchased it off of sales or add-ons or things like that from either Boxy or FabFitFun or one of those. I think I saw it recently, but like to buy it, it's actually pretty pricey. Okay, so this is just a moisturizer. Fresh, light, not a whole lot of scent to it. Comes with a little spatula so you're not digging your fingers in there. Gotta love that. Okay. Yeah, because I like the face mask so much, I'm excited to actually try a moisturizer too. And I feel like recently got, with the recent American Influencer Award, didn't actually have a moisturizer in it. I might throw this in with that and see how this works with all of the Alicia Keys Soul Care items. Okay, we're getting close to being done here. This one is a Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. I like body butters. I've had one other argan oil little ampoule type serum, and it's been fine. I've never gone all the way through it. It's just kind of something that I'll maybe work into my ends a little bit. Boy, I hate to even open this up. I'm not really smelling anything through the package. I have a couple other body lotions and stuff open right now. I don't really want to open this up. Because that kind of begins the countdown of it. We're so close to being done, you guys. I've got just a couple more things here to show you. This is, I think, a best of that was like a whole kit that I saw as part of an add-on. And I thought, you know what? I had a couple of the products that I was intrigued about, and I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and try it. So the first thing in here is the Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Shampoo and Conditioner. I've never heard of this brand before. Says it seals hair color. I don't have color treated hair right now. Smooths frizz. I have that. Repairs damage. Yes, please. Prevents split ends. Who doesn't like that? Strengthens fragile hair. Okay, prevents heat damage. Yes, please. Improves detangling and manageability. No sulfites, parabens, or junky buildup. pH balance for all hair. Let's just see. I've got naturally wavy hair. This is pretty much, this is what you get, right? This is after a couple days of not washing it. Truth be told, I probably ought to do that. I've got some other stuff I'm going to get through, but this will be good to have as kind of a backup. And it's actually not too big of a size. Can I travel with this? What? How much? No, I don't want to. I don't want to travel and take a shampoo that I've never used before. I'm going to have to use that here. Okay, the other thing I picked up was this Sponge Gel set. This was actually in this kit. These are kind of like their best ofs. It's a best of shampoo that I've never, and conditioner that I've never heard of. How great is that? Okay, Sponge Gels. These are great. These ones don't have the little wrist. Well, I mean, you have this. I wonder, you could probably put this on it, right? What? I wonder if there's a hole. If there's a hole. Oh yeah, there's a hole. So if you guys ever get these, take this ribbon off. It pulls through like that. And there's a hole in the sponge. You poke this through the hole, kind of loop it around itself. Hold on, can I give you an example? Like this. Then you can hang it on like your faucet or prison faucet. No. Spigot, faucet, drain, whatever you want to call it. You've got a way to hang it. I love these things, and I feel like it's been a little while since I've bought them. So this actually comes with scents: eucalyptus rain, honey blossom, and papaya yuzu. 45 uses total, 15 uses each. I use these initially, and then I'll switch after like 2 weeks of using it. I'll switch to whatever shower gel I've got going on and just kind of use it for a while, and then I use it to clean my bathtub, is what it is. Okay, and then Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Dr. Brandt's got good stuff. I feel like I might have one of these. This might be a backup now. Pore Purifying Cleanser. These are good products for a set of favorites. Okay, the only thing I'm really getting introduced to here is the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm okay with that. This is the very last thing that was in my FabFitFun Spring 2022 seasonal subscription box, and this is a Patrick Starr palette. I think this is the original one, right? This is the One Size Visionary. Feels weird. Okay, this is weird because this is all like kind of at an angle, like it doesn't line up. My OCD might have a problem with that, but the palette itself is gorgeous. I did not buy this when it first came out. I was mildly interested, but I didn't buy any of his products. This is the absolute first Patrick Starr product. If you guys are interested in me coming back and doing, you know, 2 looks with this palette, if you picked it up at Sephora or somewhere else and you were interested in it, or if you want to revisit it, or if you want my take on it, leave me a comment down below, because I will be happy to put this into a future video. 3 looks, or just even trying it. If you guys want my unprofessional take on it, I'm happy to give you my honest opinion on it. I will let you guys know at a later time on the shampoo. The rest of the products I feel fairly confident that I'm going to enjoy. This concludes my FabFitFun unboxing for spring 2022. Hair scarf, how cute. That's the magazine. It always comes with a magazine. It does talk to you about what the products are in here, other exclusive offers and things, you know, that you can do. There's recipes, there's articles, there's styling techniques, there's how to plan a weekend getaway. It's like an old school magazine. Like, do you guys remember magazines? I don't know. Maybe I'll read it. All right, you guys. I hope you guys are doing really well, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Feel free to give this a like if you like unboxing videos, or not if you're not feeling generous, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.